Just got your message, Sam. Oil change date. That's what's happening. Always use lube, it helps. Make sure the old seal ain't on, or you'll have a leak. I normally do this from the bottom, but I needed to check the shaft play on the turbo anyway, so good opportunity to change the filter if I could get it to start. Oh, come on. Really? There it goes. Just snug it up with your hand real good, because you don't need to use pliers on these. Currently Saturday morning. It's about 25 out, so I come up to the shop today to work on the truck. I just, as you can tell, I changed the oil on it, and now I'm just giving the turd a bath, so nothing real productive going on. But you know, you're probably thinking, polish a turd, it's still a turd, right? So, and I agree with you. So, but we're gonna throw some, I don't know what what it is. It's like, well, hold on, I'll just show you. Gonna throw some of this Larry juice on there, and not that it'll do any good, but just trying to get all the soap, or sorry, salt off of it, because we were expecting snow this weekend, and well, it didn't happen, so that's why I'm washing the truck. But also, I gotta unload this thing, because I do not have a front drive shaft in this truck because the U-joints are bad in it, and I have yet to replace them. So this thing weighs like 760 pounds or so. So I got to get that out of there. Get this cleaned up. I think the wife's coming up here so I can change the oil on her car. And I think I'm gonna call it quits for the day. Don't have really anything going on, so. Let's see if I can get this freaking thing off of one hand. Oh, there it goes. Oh crap, I broke it. Really? Really? Guess I'm about to get a pair of pliers now. Pliers real quick, see if we can get this thing out so I can get the thing in there. Oh, that easy. Really? Freaking right. Now see if we can get, guess I better dump that out. What is it? McGuire's Super Soap Deep Cleaning. You ain't gonna clean that thing. Guaranteed. Ooh, pretty. Put a little bit in there. I don't need all of it. Twist this cigarette on there and maybe. Now that we got soap on, let's see if we can get this stupid thing back in here. Wow, this thing needs a new disconnect. There's that part. I got the truck finished up. It's looking good, looking better than it was. So just gotta wait on the old lady, see if she shows up, and clean up my mess here. So I think maybe in the next video I will maybe start debadging this truck. Those two, I'm gonna leave the Mega Cab one and the Cummins one, but I'm gonna get rid of that because obviously you can tell they fade really bad and it just looks stupid. So that might be the next video, or I may start tearing into the color block for the boys tractor. It needs a new oil pan. I'll probably go bill it because every time I've resealed it, it just leaks. I think it's warped. So we'll do that on maybe the next video. So if you guys like this video, I know it was just washing a truck, nothing real interesting, but if you like it, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below, and share it with your buddies. So we'll see you all later. Bye.